Bravo, sir. Spectacular splash. Easy.
What the fuck?
Oh, fucking dickhead.
Why does it have its indicator on right?
Jesus Christ, that's Jason Bourne.
For March, these are our main stories. Stock markets have closed down sharply in the United States amid concern over President Trump's tariffs and refusal to rule out recession. Zelensky is in Saudi Arabia, which is hosting the first significant peace talks since the Russian invasion of Ukraine. And we hear from our correspondent in Lebanon about Syrians who fled across the border after a wave of sectarian killings. Also in this podcast,
stay off the drugs.
International Critical Commentary is another one that I think is really good. And Dale Allison Jr. is a great scholar who wrote the volume on James. And one of the interesting things is there's been an argument about which James is the Epistle of James actually attributed to. Is it James, the brother of Jesus, or is it somebody else?
We got a lot of Jameses. We've already established there's plenty of Jameses to choose from, and who knows? You could throw another James into the mix.
there could be one we don't.
Oh, I see. It's right near freedom.
Yeah.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Doing his fucking window? Ah. Doing your fucking window in the middle of the road?
Polishing his fucking windows.
What a dick.
That's fucking Scotty.
Oh fuck, it's literally no right turn, you fucking dickhead.
Nobody on my wrist, yeah. Why don't
What the
can't remember when that was. It wasn't the old Dashcam. Like this dickhead.
Get on your lane, Jesus! You're not very good at colouring in, are you?
Dirty red light. You arsehole. You even look. Arsehole.
Yeah, what a hero! So they're on the sky. Seriously?
Is that a common story, what we've just heard there, David?
Yes. Oh, it certainly is, and sorry to hear about your troubles, Jennifer. It's not going to make you feel any better, but we hear thousands of these stories, and it's real about something has to be done to cap.
Well, I guess you'd say that's a bit of a
specialist
flop.
charge. Something has to be done.
Do you have any numbers to prove that? Yeah, here's the fact.
Yeah, here's the fact. Yeah.
Would you like to donate a watch?
Yep. The other thing that's slightly overlooked, and this is slightly tangential actually, is that when we look at the Vegas experiment, well, it's not really an experiment anymore. I mean, the experiment happened last year. It's now an experience. I agree.
What an arsehole.
Is that it brought in the figures I received this morning. It put $100 million US into the Vegas economy. Now that's a.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only.
Fucking moron. Fucking prick.
Emergency video.
Seriously? Asshole.
Straight through the red light. The cyclist?
Say my name.
Scotty.
You're goddamn right.
Good on you.
Oh, Scotty, look at that car, man. How good is that?
Guys, can we breathe? Oh, one other way around the group. You
One of those things is kind of interesting. Whee!
Ferrari, wow. Hey, like that one, Scotty.
I love it. I love it.